Hey Toy Family! This is gonna be a bit of a different video than usual. To my loyal fans, their parents, friends, and anyone else I've disappointed, I'm sorry. From the bottom of my heart. From the bottom of my heart. God, fuck, that's so bad. Doesn't feel real enough. Doesn't feel real enough. Let's do it again.
I've never really done this before. This isn't pre-written or edited because I just want to be as transparent and authentic as possible to you guys. Man, this past couple of days have been so hard. It's been a really tough situation. But I just want to talk to you heart to heart and tell you guys my story.
Do you guys remember that little kid from Toy Time? This is him now. Feel old yet? In his new toy line, Toy Ride, you can scan the QR code and go to Toy Ride, a website with videos of people playing with toys. Let's just say, in a way little Jimmy never did.
Toy, what are you making?
Fire truck.
Fire truck. What are you making the fire truck with? What's your new...
That's him right there.
You seeing the screenshot down? Szép jó napokat, hölgyeim és uraim! Most kaptuk a hírt, hogy Terry the Toy éppen elszalad az egész világon. Az ember...
Who is this guy going viral for apologizing on the internet? This is Theodore Toititiro, who just got cancelled. He allegedly went from playing with toys to playing with boys. Do you think he can still clear his name? Leave your comments below. Who is this guy going viral for apologizing?
I don't know what to do.
Holy, what have you done?
Nothing, Ma. You gotta believe me.
The Netflix show cancelled. Online cancelled. Do you know how this makes me look? How am I gonna leave the house?
I feel dizzy.
Silver platter. I gave you your life on a silver platter. Never had to work a day in your life, and you just had to throw it away. Ditch the toy. Don't ask me for anything. I've done more than enough.
So, are you Theodore Toititiro? Sir, are you Theodore Toititiro?
What?
Are you Theodore Toititiro?
What is that? Why are you recording me?
I'm with the police department. My name is Officer Jeffries. This is mandatory.
Who sent you?
I just said I'm with the police department.
Who sent you?
The police. I'm with the police. We will need to take you in for investigation. Please
Why?
come with me, sir.
I'm in it. The videos aren't real. They're not real. I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
Sir, have you been drinking?
No, a little bit. A little bit.
Okay. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Guys, this got stolen by the police. Guys, when you see me on the internet, it's not real. I know you guys don't believe it. You guys know the real me. I would never do that. I would never hurt you guys. I would never hurt you guys. Guys, they're after me. Everything's gone.
Let me tell ya, and it's a word that man can eat at all. When things are big that should be small. Who can tell what magic spells we'll be doing for us?